Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to convert audio to text on WhatsApp. Now, there are two main ways to convert audio to text on WhatsApp. The first one is by using the built-in transcription feature if it is available. So the first thing you have to do is check for availability. This feature is currently being rolled out globally, so it might not be available in all regions or for all users yet. Next, enable transcription if available. How do you do this? Go to settings by tapping on the three dots at the top right corner, tap on settings, then from settings tap on chats, and then from chat you can see voice message transcript. Make sure this is turned on, and then you choose the language, which will be English or the language you prefer. So once you've done that, to transcribe the message or to change it from audio to text, you simply go to the chat, open it up, and then press down on it. At the top, tap on three dots at the top right corner, tap on transcribe. So it's setting up the transcripts for me. 120 megabytes. So it's doing it right now. Now the second way you can do this is using a third-party app or service. Now, how you do this is download a transcription app. There are many apps available on both iOS and Android that can transcribe audio files. Some popular options include Google Assistant, Google Assistant, Otter.ai, and Rave. So the next after you've downloaded the transcribing app or the transcription app, the third-party transcription app, once you're done with that, next thing you do is upload the audio. So you download the audio message from WhatsApp and upload it to the transcription app or service. Next thing, the app or service will transcribe the audio, and you can then edit the text for accuracy. So ensure that the audio is clear and free of background noise for better transcription accuracy. And then there are some apps that offer features like punctuation and speaker identification. If you're using longer audio messages, consider using a dedicated transcription service for more accurate results, because as you can see, this is a message of just 1 second, and yet it's taking so long to transcribe. So you can imagine if this audio message was longer, how long it would take. So right now it's on 45 megabytes left. It's still transcribing. Like I said, it's a new feature that is being rolled out. And another thing you can do is update your WhatsApp to the latest version to see if you actually have this option. And after doing that, then you go through the steps we did to see if you can set it up. Don't forget, it is a new feature, so it might not be available. If it isn't, just be patient and it will be available soon for you. It is currently being rolled out globally. So we have 2 megabytes left of the transcription. Let's see, transcribing, as you can see down there. Down here is waiting, transcribing. Hello, how are you? That was all it needed to transcribe. Like I said, it's a new feature, so that's why it's taking so long. But very soon, and also it also depends on the strength of your internet connection. If you're using something very fast, to do it fast, but I'm not, that's why. So that's it. That is how to convert audio to text on WhatsApp. Remember, the two ways are using the transcription feature, the new transcription that has been built into WhatsApp, and the second one is to use a third-party app or service. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.